I would personally never eat meat grown in a lab.
It's a clean, safe, sustainable way to eat meat. In this process of making meat, the culturing of meat is 95% better when it comes to carbon emissions, when it comes to land, when it comes to water.
If lab meat can reduce the amount of land needed to make meat, then this could be a significant benefit in helping to tackle climate change, but it does also depend on what that freed up land is then used for. The technologies behind lab meat are still fairly new, so we don't really know yet what the environmental impacts might be when these technologies are produced at larger scales. Current research has predicted that the process will involve high energy use because you have to do things like keep the cells warm as they grow, you have to exercise the cells and clean the bioreactors that the cells are growing in. Some researchers have suggested that unless the lab meat industry can decarbonize its energy supply, in other words, only use renewable energy sources, then any potential climate benefits that this technology could bring would be significantly undermined.
I do not see it taking off in South Africa. There is no way. South Africans love natural meat. They love everything natural.
I think it's great that they're trying to come up with all this new food technology. I think it has the potential to address not just climate change and sustainability, but also other problems like food shortages around the world.